what you hear in the background, but they're just gonna be in the video, but they want to be all up in it. Cook the pudding, cook the pudding. Hey everybody, it's your girl, Amiya, and today I am back with another video. First, we are going to make banana pudding. The ingredients are 1 can of sweetened and condensed milk, 14 ounces, vanilla wafers, 6 sliced bananas. You need 2 cups of milk. Then you're gonna need French vanilla instant pudding. You're gonna need Cool Whip because it's cool and it's whipped. Okay. You're gonna need a smaller bowl and a larger bowl. And you're gonna need a spoon and a spoon. Cook the pudding. It says, in a bowl, combine the milk and the pudding mix and blend well using a handheld electric mixer. Do we have that?
You're supposed to have all these.
You
didn't have that mixing.
Okay, I'm sorry, we're ghetto, so that's not how it's gonna work.
I'm in the ghetto.
We're gonna get our cups from the laptop so I spill. We're gonna pour that in there. 1 cup. Oh, this is fun.
You need to do that in the big bowl is what she told you.
2 cups. See. You put this in a big bowl, not a small bowl. I know all that. It's in a bag. Who you know has yogurt? What's this? Pudding in a bag. Come on now. Oh, it's already turning colors.
Y'all, she got a whole production up in here. Ring
We're
light.
gonna mix it.
We're gonna see how this banana pudding turned out.
Then you mix it.
Oh, you need to like whip like this,
What?
this whip. No.
So we gonna sit this on the side, like
Okay,
side piece.
No, just.
We're gonna get our kosher for Passover Philadelphia original cream cheese, and we're going to put that in the bowl.
How much it
bowl.
says?
Now we have the cream cheese looking all pale and whatnot. Now we're going to put that in the bowl, and then we're gonna add the condensed milk. We need a can opener. So while we wait for our can to be open, we're going to.
Oh wow. That's not how you do that.
How do you do that?
Go ahead, this is gonna be fun.
Pretty good. Woo. 10. Let's go. Cash on. Like I hit the lottery.
Pour it in there.
She do not smell good. She stank. Oh, got her nose. Okay, so we're gonna pour her in here. Yeah. Now you're gonna mix it until smooth. Okay, we're gonna mix it until it's smooth.
Get those chunks out. I have to flick your wrist. See, back in the days, we didn't have no blender. We had to do the old school. Just like that.
Okay.
Ninja. Yeah, hiya. We have her, and we're gonna use her to blend this mixture because my arm was tired, so. Watch that one.
Twist it.
Ah!
Hold it down.
We did it. So, now that we got the mixture. Ooh, what? Next step is to get this bowl again, this mixture, out of the packet. Okay, we got this mixture. I'm gonna pour her right back in that bowl. Look at her! Ah,
6.5 hours later.
Alright, now we're still gonna support this mixture
So
in
we'll
with
see
the
you
pudding
in here. I
mixture.
can't talk.
So, yeah. So y'all, my camera died being rude or whatever. And now we're putting the cookies like in the bottom of the pan so we can layer it. That's what I'm doing in this next clip. We're all up in there now. Okay. So this is the first layer. So we got our cutting board and we're gonna go ahead and cut up our bananas.
Yep.
Dun, dun. My culinary teacher is probably quaking in her shoes right now because she's like, what is she doing? So we have them lined up in a way, kind of, sort of, I think. We're gonna go ahead and put the bananas on there. Now we're gonna add the mixture. I'm gonna taste it. That tastes good. I better show up and show out. Stop playing with me. Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna layer it on top. I don't think it goes good with a spoon, but I don't care. Add some more wafer. Alrighty. Oh shoot. So we're gonna add some more cookies. Cause she said layer and layer, so we just gonna layer and layer like some bundles. Woohoo. Then we're gonna add some more bananas. Because that's how it works. So unfortunately,
Listen, girl, you gotta
my camera. Wait.
Wait a minute!
Unfortunately, my phone ran out of storage because it hates me. For some reason, my phone has it out for me. For some reason, it wants beef with me. But we're not gonna do that. We are some positive people.
I feel like she purposely does this because she don't want me to go out and look good because I look better than her.
Yes. Hey. Okay, so here's the pudding. Right here, and it's thicker than it was yesterday, so that's good. Get some bananas in there too, girl. Put her on a plate. Okay. We have her right here. We're gonna try it. First, we're gonna smell her. She smells good. Magnificent. That hit sticky. That hit unique. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and follow me on all my socials. Too clean. Too clean. I love you guys so much. And I'll see y'all in my next video.